Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. To turn on our watch we need to press and hold the middle button and keep holding it until we see the SUUNTO logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which will take a few seconds. And here we have it. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you turn on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.